UCAP at 20 to 3 in the morning. And listen to this. Sure what it is, but it sounds like it. Really? No, move your head, move your head. Move your head. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, it's a rat, what's it?